Hey guys, welcome back. It is Wednesday, time for another options portfolio update. And man, these weeks just keep flying by. Definitely on a roller coaster to start 2022, and I don't expect anything different going forward. I would actually rather it be a roller coaster than, say, uh, para jumping, or what do you call that? Paratroop? No, jumping out of an airplane. But I'd rather have a roller coaster. At least you have ups and downs, and that's okay for selling cash secured puts and options. So, that being said, if you're new here, like, share, subscribe, do all that good stuff. Leave me comments down below. Thumbs up it because YouTube has kind of stopped recommending my videos. So if you would leave a comment, thumbs up the video, even share it if you could, that'd be awesome. And maybe that'll tell YouTube to start recommending my videos some more. So that would be great. So I'd appreciate that, you guys. Okay, so for those new here, what I do here is I share all my trades from the Wednesday week prior to Tuesday close, which would be yesterday. So 5 full days of trades. Opens, closes, buys, wins, losses. I share it all. I share the total portfolio value, all that good stuff. So let's just get into it. Now I'm going to start on this page. It's the quick view page. I normally don't show this. There's no reason why I don't. But you can see I only have one contract left expiring here in February, and that is Camping World. And I have a 35 strike on it. They have earnings coming up next week. I don't know what I'm going to do with Camping World. I do follow the industry a little bit, and I have heard news that a lot of the manufacturers are starting to overbuild. So, in other words, they're probably going to end up with more inventory than they need. And that wasn't the case, for the past 2 years where they couldn't even keep up with demand. So it sounds like demand is dropping off, right? We have thoughts of interest rates increasing, so that may curtail the demand for recreational products and things like that. So I'm not sure where I'm going to go with this. We'll see how it goes. It's got a couple more days until expiration. I may roll it out and down to the 30 strike. I don't know. I might, take the shares and sell an at the money call. I don't know. I really don't know. The news I'm hearing about the RV industry is good for consumers, especially ones that, are wanting to buy and get the best price, because normally when they have a over, built inventory, over too much inventory, prices are going to come down. And coupled with that, rising interest rates and possibly, money being, costing more to borrow, might put some pressure on the RV manufacturers and the industry as a whole, even cars, everything, right? So that's the one option that I have expiring this month, and it is currently in the money. So follow me next Wednesday and you'll find out what I do with it. So let's check out the options now. And what I'm going to do is go through the closings, and that is from February 9th to February 15th. And we'll start here. February 9th, we had that good pop up in the market, and I took advantage and took off a whole bunch of stuff. Took off a TNA. Let me hide these fees, because those fees are I always forget to hide the fee column. There we go. Because it just bugs me. There's too many numbers there. Closed the TNA. That was a 55 strike. Closed it for 55 cents. Profited $85 there. Excuse me. That was a 43-day hold. Closed a lemonade put that was out to 25 strike. Closed it for 29 cents, made 30 bucks there in 34 days. SOXL, closed that one out for 90 cents. Made 73 bucks there in 33 days. Another TNA, closed it for 98 cents, made 36 bucks in 28 days. Closed out a covered call on Lemonade because I do own 100 shares of Lemonade at a average price of $48.75. So I'm pretty underwater on that stock. But closed the covered call for 30 cents, made 34 bucks there in 9 days. SOXL put, I had a 35 strike, exited that one for $1.35, $157 there in 6 days. Another SOXL that I closed out for $1.40, made $2.33 in 6 days. RYLD, I had sold 10 of them last week, if you remember, and I was able to buy back 4 of them at 15 cents, so made 91 bucks there in 5 days. Another TNA, closed this one out for 98 cents, made $2.75 in 5 days. Facebook, finally got out of that, closed it out for $1.10, profited $113.50 in 7 days. Bought back another RYLD put, so now I only have 5 of them for 15 cents there. Made $27.45 in 7 days on that one. And Lemonade, today Lemonade popped up. These 230 strikes were in the money for quite a long time. I was able to close them out today for 65 cents a piece. They were going to expire this Friday, but I didn't want to chance it. I just figured I'll take the 50% profit is basically what that ended up being. And I re-entered the position, and we'll see that down below. But I closed each of them out for 65 cents, made 35 on one and 94 on the other. So that's all the closings for the week. Now let's take a look at what we opened. We'll just sort that here. And we'll go down. I didn't open anything up until the 10th, and that was a Dutch Bros put. Everybody knows I'm a big fan of Dutch Bros. It's a competitor to Starbucks, but they go after kind of a different subset or a different market, and I really like their growth potential here. I sold a 40 put and got $1 for it out to March 18th. So I think it's really good. I'd buy the shares at 40 if it got there. But I'll continue to watch it. It'll probably be some volatility with Dutch Bros, but we'll see. Hopefully they don't just keep running. Hopefully I can get a chance to buy some cheap shares eventually. Then I sold a Intel. Oh, you know what? I didn't even change the dates on these. I screwed up because I know I sold that. Oh, well. I'll fix it later. Sold an Intel 45 strike. It's got support right around there. Got $1.40 for that out to March 31st. And I only sold one contract. KRE, that is a S&P regional bank ETF. So it's a sector ETF basically. Sold a 65 strike there and got 95 bucks for it. One contract only. I resold that covered call I bought back. I sold it and I got 47 cents out to March 18th for a 50 strike. So we'll see, we'll just collect covered calls, and ideally I would like Lemonade to go away. Go away out of my portfolio. I'm kind of 50-50 on Lemonade. Typically in a rising interest rate environments, insurance companies do well because what they have to invest in, most insurance companies, they have to invest in treasuries and bonds and things like that. And with rates going up, that will do them well. but Lemonade is not your typical, it's not like an Allstate or a State Farm or a Travelers or something like that. It's kind of the meme stock of the insurance companies. So we'll see how they do. But I did re-enter a put, and I got down to the 20 strike on that, out to March 18th, and I collected $63 for that one. I did sell a QQQ, cash secured put. Got a strike price of $320. I almost sold the 340 here. When I sold this, it was selling for $349, or the Qs are at $349. And I almost sold the 340 because there is some support right there at 340. But the next level down is 320. So I went with the 320. Collected $700 for that one contract there. And, I like that play right there. 320 is good on the Qs, especially after the Nasdaq's been down almost 12-13% already. QILD, I sold one put, 20 strike, got $35 for it out to March 18th. SOXL, I went out to March 31st and sold the 25 strike, collected $165 for that one. SPLG, remember I did that one a couple weeks ago, or a week ago, right there. I just added another one, 50 strike, same strike, but I got 70 cents for that one. So now I got two contracts on SPLG. That's the S&P 500 index fund from Spider ETFs. And then finally I did a SPYV. That's the Spider Value Fund. So it's value stocks, essentially, right? Your Johnson and Johnsons and Pfizer's, blue chip value stocks really is I probably shouldn't say the whole thing is blue chip value stocks, but you get what I'm saying. It's a value ETF. Did a 39 strike there. It's currently selling at 41. Got $50 for it. Now, after all that, let's take a look at premium cooking. So as you can see, we're on the roller coaster. Look at red, green, red, green, red, green. We're on the roller coaster for sure. But week ending Tuesday, which was yesterday, February 15th, we closed out 13 positions, opened 10, realized profit of all the closes of $1,288.04, sold premium $1,460.13. Half of that was just in that QQQ contract. Total premium cooking $4,585.41. Maintenance margin dropped to $24,700. Buying power usage 20.81%. That maintenance margin dropped because I got out of most of those TNA ETFs. I had a bunch of those. Cash balance is up $86,159. So that's about $460 roughly increase in the week. And then the net lick went up to $118,700. So a $2,500 increase in that. That's a nice week. That's what I'd like to see. Cash balance going up, net lick going up. That translates to a good week. So return on maintenance margin, this is the profit realized divided by maintenance margin used from the previous week, 4% on that one. And the return on net lick is 1.11%, which is the profit realized divided by the net liquidation of last week. So a really good week, very happy with it. You can see, like I said, I only got that one Camping World put expiring in February. Everything else is in March. Actually, some of it's April 1st, but I didn't want to put that because that QQQ one kind of messed me up because I didn't do a week ending one, I believe, because it was 3/31. Yeah, I did the month ending one instead of April 1st. So I just changed that to 3/31. So I got $4,300 cooking out into March. I will be looking into building up some April positions here in the next week or two. And let's take a look at how overall we're doing against the market. So you can see percentage decrease. I start in value 123.1. That's roughly what we started out with as far as net liquidation back in January, right there. And we are now up to, or down to, 118,700. So we're down 3.57% for the year. But considering that, and considering the way all the markets have done, we're not too bad. Look, the S&P 500 has come back a little bit, but it's still down 6.8%. NASDAQ still down 10.6% for the year, and the Russell is down 8.6% for the year as well. So I'm satisfied. I'm fine with it. You know, the roller coaster can keep on, and we can keep going. So hope you guys had a great week. Sorry if this went on too long. I kind of rambled on a couple of stocks, and hope you guys don't mind. Like I said, like, share, subscribe, do all that good stuff. Leave me a comment, thumbs up. Maybe YouTube can start sharing my videos again and suggesting it to people. That would be great. You guys have a great trading week, and we'll talk to you later. Thanks. Bye-bye. I am not a financial advisor. The information contained in this video is for entertainment and informational purposes only. It is not intended to be investment advice. Please seek a licensed professional for any investment, tax, or legal advice. Thank you.